Let's first get you the breaking news that's coming at this hour. A peon of Western Suburban School raped an 8-year-old student for the past 3 months. This incident came to light when the parents noticed that the victim was experiencing difficulty in walking. In the medical test, the sexual assault was revealed. The accused reportedly confined the girl to a ground floor of a building where he subjected her to physical and sexual abuse, including acts of unnatural sexual assault. The incident came to light on the 28th of March and the case was registered at the Khar police station. The accused is arrested and a probe is underway. Officials are also looking for due diligence that was followed by the school in hiring the peon. Let me go across to my colleague Ankit for more on this. Ankit, absolutely shocking and horrific incident that has come to light. But what more details do we have of this unfortunate incident? The peon, I believe, has now been arrested by the police.
Yes, that's absolutely right. It's a very, very shocking incident where the 8-year-old student was raped for 3 months by the peon. Right now, the police is doing the investigation in this case. The accused has been arrested. The police custody has been granted by the court. But very importantly, the investigation where police is doing is that the rules and regulation which has been followed by the school to hire the peon, that police is right now doing the investigation, and also the statement which they are recording to the school, to the teacher, from the teachers to the principal as well. But yes, definitely it's a very, very shocking incident in Mumbai's Santa Cruz West area. From the English medium school, we can clearly say that the peon which raped 8 years old student, on that case where the police is doing the investigation, and also a statement has been recorded. But yes, very importantly, as we all know, from last so many days, the incidents which are coming where students are not faced, and on that note, the guidelines also which has been issued. But yes, very importantly, the rules and regulation to hire the peon, the rules and regulation to hire the security of the police, security of the school, I'm very sorry, that needs to be checked, because whenever this kind of incidents happen, it has been highlighted on the that the sexual assault by the peon, the sexual assault by the security to the students. So that investigation right now Mumbai police is doing, that the rules and regulation needs to be followed whenever we hire any security or security in charge, whenever we hire in the peon. And definitely if they found anything in the investigation, the police will definitely take a strict action against the school as well.
Right. All right, Ankit, thank you very much for joining us with those details of this horrific incident that has come to light. We'll keep getting our viewers the latest on this. But